During the conversation, have you ever heard something like สวยสวยดีดีอร่อยอร่อย or ร้อนร้อน Hi there! Speak Thai Possible is here with you. Do you know that instead of using a word มาก which means very, or จริงจริง which means really, you can also just change a tone of word. And today we're gonna talk about that. Coming up, I would like to show you another way to emphasize the meaning of a word, mostly for adjective and adverb, by changing a tone of words. Instead of using มาก or จริงจริง I have to warn you that this is not something for someone who is not confident in Thai tones. However, it is really worth learning because you will hear so often in the conversation. But if you can do it, you will sound so Thai. Just follow these 3 steps, then you are one step closer to speak Thai like a Thai. 1. Repeat a word. For example, สวยสวย 2. Change the first word to a high tone. สวย becomes สวย 3. Put 2 words together by placing a word with the correct tone at the back. Voila! It becomes สวยสวย which means very beautiful, so beautiful, extremely beautiful. Let's try another word. ร้อน means hot. 1. Repeat a word. ร้อนร้อน 2. Change the first word to a high tone. In this case, the first word is already at high tone, so nothing to change. In this case, when 2 words are at the high tone, so you should say the first word a bit longer than the second word, like ร้อนร้อน Okay? You may wonder what to do when a word has more than 1 syllable. You apply exactly the same rule, but you just change a tone only at the last syllable of the word, and the rest remains the same at the correct tone. For example, a word สะอาด means clean. สะอาดสะอาด 2. Change the last syllable of the first word to a high tone. อาด becomes อาด Then put 2 words together. Voila! สะอาดสะอาด which means very clean, so clean, extremely clean. นี่แก เมื่อวานฉันไปกินส้มตำมา รอคิวนานคนเยอะแต่ไม่เป็นไรอะเพราะว่าอาหารอร่อยแซ่บพริกเยอะมากเผ็ดไปกัน3 คนสั่งอาหารมาเต็มโต๊ะเลยอิ่มแต่จ่ายกันคนละแค่200เองถูกเนาะวันหลังไปกันThat's all for today. Enjoy playing with the tones, but if you're not confident yet with the tones, please check out my previous video and get some tips to become a tones master. Keep learning, and if you enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye ค่ะ